you get him to go down your shirt?
He loves to be there. Quit biting holes in my shirt.
Ow.